Good evening, class. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Hopefully, everybody's working on your shell. I know I am. Um, just to kind of share a little bit of where I'm at and reflect on what I've learned so far. This is my course shell right now that you can see the screen. This is my home screen. I have completed that. Here's my welcome to the class. Gives them a little bit of information about the course. There's my information, my office, my hours, my office phone number. Um, I do have this picture of my course. My course, of course, is, for those that don't know, it's Entry Preparedness to the Workforce 101. So just to show you that I do have that completed so far. I also have my syllabus completed for my course shell. I'll go ahead and click on that so we can go to that. And here's my syllabus. Pretty much has everything the students will need to learn and everything that they'll need for the course as the semester progresses. Um, but that's where I'm at right now. If I go to my modules page, and here's my modules, go there. I apologize, my internet's a little slow. I do have one of the faster internets. I have internet with DishNet, and from what they tell me, it's one of the faster internets. I know my bill reflects it. But here's my modules so far of what I've created. I still need to work on some more on my getting started module, get that more advanced. I still need to add a syllabus quiz to it, and then of course an orientation. I do need to add an orientation video. I haven't done that. So those are two things that I plan to do hopefully at the beginning of this week. Looking at my student success plan, I would probably say one of the things that I've had to do the most is to kind of get myself on a schedule, is to um, look at my Canvas to make sure that I'm on track with my assignments, especially since I have 3 courses. So I would say one of the plans that I've done more now is I tend to look at my Canvas a lot more to see where I'm at in all 3 of my classes. Backup plan, I have, believe it or not, had to use it. I did use it in one of my courses, where one of my backup plans was in case my computer crashed, which it did right during a webinar. I had to go to my sister-in-law's house, and I actually ended up using her internet and her computer to get back onto the webinar. And the teacher was very understanding. Of course, she understands what technology is all about. As far as my course design, it's pretty much sticking to the plan that I had before. The plan I turned in, I'm trying to stick to that. It was a draft at the time, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to change royally. I'm going to stick to it pretty well. Overall, I feel I do need a little more work on my course shell. I do need to do that orientation video, which I plan to, and then of course work on my module, my getting started module. By as you can see there, I need to finish my syllabus quiz and get my introduction assignment in there. But other than that, I love this course. I'm learning a lot, and I'm looking forward to looking at your videos. I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.